Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Okay, next student, Schwartz and Wilkinson reaction. In this alkyl halide, here also alkyl halide, here it reacts with the silver fluoride, here it reacts with the sodium iodide. Here actually acetone, dry acetone is used actually. Acetone is used. Here you are getting product, here this will get exchanged. Understood? You are getting R, F and Ag, X. Here you are getting R, I plus Na, X. Remaining everything same. Look at this reaction. Schwartz and Wilkinson reaction. Okay students, next reaction is Dawes process. In Dawes process, chlorobenzene react with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of ethylene medium 623 Kelvin, 300 atmospheric pressure, and it gives phenol. It gives phenol and sodium chloride. Understood? Okay. Here next is Hunslicker reaction. In this actually, okay, Hunslicker reaction. This is Dawes process. Phenol we are getting. In this actually silver salt of acetate, silver salt of any acetate reacts with the bromine. Bromine it looks like Br2 and in the presence of CCl4. Actually bromine how it reacts? Br. Understood? One of the Br is attached with this particular AgBr and one of the Br is attached to this particular R. So it gives RBr and AgBr and carbon dioxide. This is a Hunslicker reaction. This is Dawes process. Over. Okay students, this one question appeared in last year paper. Among the following reaction that process through electrophilic substitution reaction, which one having electrophilic substitution reaction? You have to find out. Very simple. Here you see that reactant and here see that product. In reactant side OH is there, product side Cl is there. That means here OH is substituted by this particular Cl. Correct? No? OH substituted with the Cl. That means this reaction is substitution reaction. This is not electrophilic substitution reaction. This is, they asked which one is electrophilic substitution reaction. This is simple substitution reaction. Okay. Next, here N2 is there, Cl is there. Here this removed by copper chloride, reaction with the copper chloride, chloride is added here. That means this removed and chloride is added. That means this is also substituted. Substitution reaction. Now the question arises here. This you see chlorine reacts with the benzene. That means here which type of reaction takes place? In the presence of UV light free radical mechanism, chlorine, that like 6 molecules of chlorine or 3 molecules of chlorine get dissociate and it gives cyclo compound, hexacyclone, understood? This type of compound. There is no benzene ring inside. Okay, don't put this thing. Okay, that means which process this is actually? In the presence of UV light, chlorine get separated and it form free radical. This reaction is actually free radical. The last remaining one is this one. This one will check whether it is electrophilic substitution reaction or not. Remaining two is substitution reaction. This one is a free radical. This we check. Simple. Here chlorine reacts with the anhydrous aluminum chloride. You know that Friedel-Crafts alkylation acylation reaction. In this one what happens? AlCl3 reacts with the Cl2 and here I will write like this, and this will go and added to this one, and this become AlCl4 minus and Cl plus. This is electrophile, and later what happens? Benzene come and attack on this particular electrophile will attack on this particular. Understood? This is nothing but electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. We discussed the same thing in what we call Friedel-Crafts halogenation, acylation, alkylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, same type of reaction. Understood? And halogenation process is there. In that also it reacts with the anhydrous aluminum chloride or ferric chloride. What happens? It becomes FeCl4 minus, after that Cl plus. That means Cl plus means it is nothing but electrophile. That electrophile attack on benzene ring, it gives electrophilic substituted product. So third one is answer, electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Okay, dear students, this one question appeared in last paper. The compound A on treatment with the sodium give B and PCl5 give C. B and C reacts together to give directly ether. A and B and C are in the order which one? You have to find out A, B, C. Okay, that I will write. The compound A on treatment with the sodium gives B. Okay. And the same compound on treatment with the PCl5 gives C, and B and C react together, that means B plus C react together gives ether, diethyl ether. Okay, ether. This is what they given. Question is this much simple. A reacts with the sodium gives B, A reacts with the PCl5 gives C. Okay. And B and C reacts and gives ether. Find A, B, C. Question. Okay. Now we will find out. A reacts with the PCl5. Okay. CH3Cl, 1 minute. Okay. A. I will take C2H5OH. Okay. Compound A. C2H5OH. Compound A. Okay. Reacts with the sodium. What it gives? That nascent oxygen will be removed. Single oxygen atom. Understood? This oxygen atom will be removed. Then gives C2H5ONA, sodium ethoxide. This is nothing but B. Okay. And if it reacts with the PCl5 and it gives what? Okay. This H will be replaced by Cl and it gives ethyl chloride. This is nothing but C. A, B, C. This is A. Okay. Reacts with the sodium, gives B. B means sodium reacts with the ethanol, means H will be removed, nascent hydrogen will be removed and it becomes sodium ethoxide. The same A will react with the PCl5. That H will be replaced by Cl and it gives ethyl chloride. Then B and C reacts. What it gives? B and C reacts. This two removed sodium chloride and it gives C2H5 O here C2H5, diethyl ether, diethyl ether. So it is correct. Understood? This is the reaction. Look at the reaction. A reacts with the sodium. When alcohol reacts with the sodium, nascent hydrogen will be removed. In that place, sodium will get substituted and it gives sodium ethoxide. Okay. Next, the same A compound react with the PCl5, it gives C. That means when alcohol reacts with the PCl5, H will be replaced by Cl and it gives ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Okay. Next, it gives C2H5O, C2H5. Understood? Ethyl ether. Okay. This is what? Okay. Then you see the order. First you have to get alcohol. Alcohol C2H5. Okay. In all this case, alcohol is there. But one case, this one is there. Ethyl chloride. Remember, ethyl chloride do not react with the sodium. Do not react with the sodium. So don't expect this one. Okay, in this three case, ethyl alcohol is there, A product, correct. Then next is B product is sodium ethoxide. Which one? No, this you leave. This is wrong. Okay. Next is which one is correct? You have to find out order. Ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol same. Then B sodium ethoxide. This one. Then ethyl chloride C. Okay, this is the correct order. Answer D is correct. Answer D is correct. Answer D is correct. Understood? Answer D is correct. Okay students, this one question actually, for the following reaction, reaction is given. This react with the potassium hydroxide, it gives one alkene and KBr. Okay. Next, B reacts with this particular potassium hydroxide, it gives this substituted product. Okay. This is the reaction, three reaction. Question is, which of the following statement is correct? A is elimination reaction, B and C is substitution, and option B is A is substitution reaction, B and C is addition reaction. Option C is A and B is elimination reaction, C is addition reaction. Like that, different option is given. You have to find out which reaction it is actually. Here you look at this reaction. In this OH is removed from here, and also one hydrogen is removed from this. Bromide is removed. Okay. Which reaction this one is? This is same what we discussed in the earlier. This is actually which reaction? Br is removed and one H is removed. Tell me which reaction is this one? There is no OH in this particular. Okay. Okay. There is no OH. Okay. Sorry. Br is removed from this one. Br is removed from alpha, and beta carbon H is removed, and you are getting alkene substituted compound. When it gives alkene means immediately remember that it is E2 elimination. That means elimination reaction. This is elimination reaction. Elimination. We studied last class. We discussed about that particular. Leaving groups leaves, hydrogen removed from, abstracted from which one? That means potassium hydroxide is used, that OH go and attack to this particular H, and H will be removed and it form double bond here, and leaving groups leaves. This is the reaction is elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, first reaction. Second reaction, in the place of Br, OH gets substituted. Correct? No? Here. That is nothing but a substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Okay. Third one is here this bond breaks. This bond breaks like this. Here double bond is there. Look at this like this, and this bond breaks, and it formed two bond with the two bromine like this. Okay. That I will write here. this bond breaks and it forms Br like this. Okay. Inside one bond is there, no? That bond breaks. Okay. Here bond breaks and this Br is added, then it is addition reaction. Addition reaction. Okay. Addition reaction. So the first one is Br eliminated, OH will get attack on H will get subtracted and it form double bond here, alkene formed, it is elimination reaction, and here OH gets substituted with the Br and is substitution reaction. Here bond breaks and this bond added to Br get added to this benzene ring. This is addition reaction. So in this, which one is correct? First one is elimination, second one substitution. Which option is correct? A is elimination, B is substitution, C is option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.